What is up, you guys? Welcome to another install video with my assistant. Anyway, we got a big box. We got Kylie. She's already lifted and everything. Got my rug, my mat, my blanket. We're gonna do hopefully a quick little install. What do you think?
Yeah, it's not gonna be so quick.
We have like half an hour before we have to go to work, so it's gonna be quick. Hopefully everything's included to be able to install this. Fingers crossed. Hopefully everything's in there. So let's get to it. First things first. Open up the big box.
I hope her lip's too big.
So you guys can see which one I got. It says 18 and up, so should fit this bumper. Alright, so we got our lip. Obviously, it is bent out of shape, so we're gonna have to use the hair dryer back into its proper shape. Alright, so since it's obviously bent out of shape, we're gonna go ahead and heat it up. Alright, so it's nice and heated. I kind of got it back to its original shape, so it should be kind of good. This should look good after we like bolt it on there. So the instructions are pretty straightforward. You see, you just drill it wherever. So it says we have to drill some holes. I'm not gonna drill any holes. I'm just gonna use the self-tapping screws that were provided. It says for that one, you can use that clip as a guide, I guess. So I guess we'll just start with that one. We'll start with the clip, and then we'll go all the way around. Use the self-tapping screws, and we should be good. Hopefully, maybe, possibly. So for the first one on the end, you're gonna use the clip that's already on there. Alright, so just kind of to give you guys a heads up of what's going on, we did this one right here. That's the last one on this side. And then we also used a clip for this one right here in the middle, this one in the middle, this one in the middle, and then the first one at the end over there too. So that's just to kind of hold it in place, and then the rest of them you just push in and just drill it on. Just make sure it's nice and lined up from this side, that way it looks all even. So we're gonna go ahead and drill the rest of them, and then we'll see how it comes out. Alright, and there you have it. Pretty much all installed. Pretty straightforward. So what I recommend, start off with the ones at the end. That way it kind of holds it up, and then just start on one side and then go all the way around. But looks a little bit more aggressive. What do you think? Gives it a little bit more flair with the little thing right there. But pretty good. That way I won't mess up the bottom of my bumper anymore. It'll just scrape on that. So, style and safety for the bumper, kind of. Now that I scrape everywhere. But looks pretty good. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Boom. Quick little install. Wow, you're not gonna end the video?
That's your job. I'm just the assistant, remember?
Anyways, shout out to the assistant. Link down below. Or I'll just put it right here. Oh.
Oh, and his mini assistant.
And I don't know whose cat this is. It's a stray cat. No, it's a stray cat. He just lives. He just comes for the installs.
You
He's a weird
tell
cat.
everybody what his name is?
I don't know his name. He's a stray cat. He just comes whenever we have installs. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Peace out, and always keep improving.